He revealed that he ordered the FBI to do their utmost to clarify the motives of the shooting without ruling out the possibility of terrorism. This is an FBI official.
If you look at the amount of obvious pre-planning that went in, the amount of armaments that he had, the weapons and the ammunition, there was obviously a mission here. We know that. We do not know why. That's going to take time for us to get to that answer. It would be irresponsible and premature of me to call this terrorism.
What motivated the suspects to go on a shooting rampage? Was it an act of terrorism? This is the moment he had been attending since about 2 years ago. An acquaintance says he hadn't shown up for 3 weeks.
Something must have happened with him within those last 2 weeks. Go like this.
Some U.S. media say the FBI is aware that Farouk had been in contact with Islamic extremists at home for years. An acquaintance spoke about Farouk's wife, Tashfin Malik.
I've seen her once or twice in my life, but she was with the Imam with the Allah on her face.
State Department Deputy Spokesperson Mark Toner says Malik was from Pakistan and she entered the U.S. on a so-called fiancé visa.
We can't at this point preclude that this is an act of terrorism. We'll engage with those governments of those countries to where they travel.
Attention is focused on the Terrorist Act. Investigators are carefully examining the background to the incident.
The massive stock. That question is the focus of investigation. We are not yet certain whether they were planning on a terrorist attack, yet in the United States, concerns are growing over the prospects of homegrown terrorists, disgruntled citizens at home influenced by extremism over the internet. The possibility that they could mount an attack. Authorities, however, were not aware of the stock of explosives concealed by the attackers. This may prompt a review of counter-terrorism measures at home.
Hiroshima ace pitcher Kenta Maeda will take on the challenge of playing in baseball's major leagues. The 27-year-old sensation has taken a step in his longtime dream. Maeda has long dreamed about playing in the U.S. Major League, and now it's becoming a reality. He says his desire to put himself in a different, more severe environment has been intensifying. He says the time has finally come. Satoru Komiyama once played in the major leagues. He says players who have produced results in Japan should have little problem pitching well in the majors. He says he's looking forward to seeing how Maeda does, and he's got a lot of potential. We asked Hiroshima Carp fans in Tokyo's Kanda district for reactions. This restaurant offers Hiroshima-style savory pancakes with a variety of ingredients. T-shirts autographed by Maeda and dolls in his likeness can be seen.